Hey there, thanks for stopping by the channel. My name is Sean and this is The Sean Show. Today I'll be talking about 5 reasons why I feel like this is the biggest, best opportunity in network marketing for 2023 and beyond. With that said, let's dive in. So first, what am I talking about? I'm talking about the solar industry and the company that I work with, which is Apricot Solar and Freedom Forever. Here's the 5 reasons. Number 1, it does not take a dime to get started. You don't have to pay anything to get started. As you may know, if you've done any kind of network marketing, oftentimes you have to pay money to get started, a monthly subscription, etc. Not with this opportunity. Secondly, the commissions, guys, are on average from $5,000 to $10,000. So large ticket commissions. Third, as a trainee, you actually get 45% of those commissions. And frankly, you're not doing much in the beginning. You're not selling, you're not presenting, you're not using the software. Your trainer is doing all the work and they get the other 45% while whoever recruited you gets 10%, which is the 4th reason I feel like this is such a great opportunity. As soon as you get started, you can begin recruiting. And as soon as your recruits get a sale, you get a 10% override once that sale is installed. And the 5th reason is because as you progress in the company, you can become junior partner by just having 2 or 3 producing individuals underneath you. So it's not really that hard to get to that point. Don't get me wrong, it'll take work. It's not a get rich quick scheme or anything like that, but you can definitely do it and it doesn't take a whole lot to get there. Watch this short corporate overview that follows, and if you want to find out more, my contact information is down in the description below. Enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to give me a quick like and subscribe. Take care.
There are 98 million homes in the U.S., and only 2% currently have solar. By 2035, 40% of U.S. homes will have solar. This will create massive wealth. Are you ready? Apricot Solar is the solar education company. Here's a quick overview. We are not a network marketing or MLM company. We are the fastest growing top 3 solar sales company in the USA. There are no financial investments and no monthly costs. No cold calling or door knocking. We use a warm market referral system. We're 100% virtual, so you can work from anywhere and no experience required. No high pressure sales. We use an educational soft sell approach. Advisors can make $3,500 per sale, part-time from home. Sales managers can make $7,000 to $10,000 per sale. And sales managers can make high 6 figures with bonuses and overrides. Let's talk about getting paid. In the first 30 days, a new trainee can work part-time from home or anywhere. They can make $3,500 per sale. So if you did 2 sales in a month at $3,500 each, that's $7,000. By helping homeowners, solar advisors grow their sales to $7,000 per sale. So if you did 2 sales in a month at $7,000, that's $14,000. Here's where it gets interesting. Junior partners earn $8,400 per sale. So if you did 2 sales at $8,400, that would be $16,800. Junior partners also get overrides on their team, $1,400 per team sale. So if your team made 12 sales at $1,400 each, it would be an additional $16,800. And when you hit partner, you really begin to scale your income. All personal sales are $9,500 per sale. So 2 sales at $9,500 is $19,000. And your team overrides increase to $2,500 per team sale. So if you did 20 team sales in a month at $2,500 each, it's $50,000. This incredible system was only made possible by an exclusive relationship between Apricot Solar and Freedom Forever. It's one of the most powerful, valuable, and strategic partnerships in the entire solar industry with over 18 years of combined experience. Freedom Forever has completed over 100,000 successful installations with a 99.74% customer satisfaction rating, one of the best in the solar industry. Schedule your orientation now by immediately completing the online application, and get back to the person who shared this information with you today.